Hey guys, this is Steve from Trim That Weed. In today's video, we're going to talk about the Disney Plus Error Code 42. But first, what does Disney Plus Error Code 42 mean? Disney Plus Error Code 42 indicates that the video or service that you're attempting to access cannot load due to various reasons. You'll know that it's Error Code 42 when you see a notification indicating that there's a problem connecting you to the service, and it will advise you to try again. In this case, the error code is usually associated with different streaming devices, including smart televisions, Amazon Fire TV, gaming consoles, Blu-ray disc players, and Roku. The following are some of the common causes of the Disney Plus Error Code 42. Issues with the internet connection. You might be trying to stream Disney Plus in 4K quality, and your internet connection might not be fast enough to allow you to stream in the Ultra HD. Issues with your streaming device. The device you're using may simply be malfunctioning, resulting in this error code. Disney servers are having technical difficulties. When very many people are watching all at once, the Disney Plus servers might become overloaded, causing this error to occur. Now, let's look at the best solutions that you can apply to fix the Disney Plus Error Code 42. First, check your internet speed. You can check your internet connection speed on sites such as fast.com or speedtest.net to ensure that it's working properly. If there are several devices connected to the same internet, the speed of streaming on your device might be reduced. Therefore, you could try to disconnect some of the devices on your Wi-Fi network that may be taking up bandwidth. Alternatively, you could stream other services, such as Amazon Prime and Netflix, to cross-check if your network is strong enough. Restart your streaming device. If you're using a media streaming player like Roku, you can restart your streaming device by: first, disconnect the device. After disconnecting it, wait for about 2 minutes. Plug the device back in. When using an iPad, a laptop, or a phone, you can simply shut it down and then restart it. Confirm if the Disney Plus servers are down. If you've already restarted your device, checked your internet connection, and are still having problems with the Disney Plus application, you can try checking if the servers are down. You can do this by going to sites such as Down Detector or just searching on Google if Disney Plus is down. Thanks for watching.